Good afternoon, everybody. We've got a CVO here with a 117 from Georgia. We are going to be doing a full stage 2 on this beautiful motorcycle. Full stage 2. We're going in with the Thundermax CR483 cam, S&S intake manifold, set of injectors, adjustable push rods. We're going to do the compensator, the S&S compensator ramp, get rid of that problem. High flow S&S air filter, special Samson V-twin ring, set of Bassani exhaust, and a set of bone shakers, or excuse me, jackhammers. Set of jackhammers going on. So stay tuned. We'll get this one knocked out next couple of days for Kevin. We sure appreciate you bringing it all the way over here. Thanks for helping out with us on doing this work, and we sure appreciate it. And we'll see you soon. There's more to come on this one. Stay tuned.